Any mention?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 8. Senior counsel is sanction leave.
Who is the other side?
State respondent and the private respondent. No objection.
When do you want it?
After 2 weeks.
Yes. Say this. Other request for counsel for the petition. Yes, after 2 weeks.
Obliged.
Yes.
Supplementary causes. Item number 1.
On the last occasion also nobody appeared.
Yes.
We'll dismiss it. None appears for the petitioner. On the last occasion also, none had entered, none had appeared for the petitioner. But since petitioner has no interest to pursue the matter, accordingly, the matter stands dismissed for non-prosecution.
Obliged.
Just record his appearance. So and so appears for the respondent.
Item number 2.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
We need some more time, my lord, because we there's so many documents which are in handwritten, my lord.
You are appearing for the state.
My lord, on behalf of Mr. K. Khan, because this is a special engaged counsel.
None appears for the petitioner. Mr.
S.K. Hassan, my lord.
Sorry,
My lord.
I remember Sheigo.
My lord.
Mr. Hassan, Learned G, appearing for the respondent. Praise for grant of.
My lord, I'm not ZA, my lord, in this matter. I'm not ZA, my lord. In the,
What's
yeah. My lord, I'm assisting counsel of Mr. K. Khan, because he is special.
Can you make a prayer for the on behalf of the state?
My lord, no, I'm especially engaged in this matter, my lord. Especially engaged in this matter also, my lord.
You have been
Assisting
engaged?
counsel. Yes, my lord.
Okay, Mr. So and so. Do not say G.
My lord. Yes.
Mr. Hassan, Learned Counsel appearing for the all the respondents
Yes, my lord. Straight respondent.
appearing on behalf of the respondents. 6 for grant of some more time for filing affidavit in opposition.
My lord, 3 weeks time maybe.
Prayer allowed. List for 3 weeks.
My lord. Highly obliged, my lord.
Item number 3.
May I please, Your Lordship? Last occasion, we filed the affidavit of service by tracking. Now we put the application in the post office. Some more time to file the affidavit of service, Lordship.
Now you require to file an affidavit.
Of service upon the
Lordship.
private
That has
respondents.
already been filed, isn't it? 4, 5, and 6.
Yes, Lordship. We filed this tracking.
My lord, she wants to file the confirmation, my lord, the certificate.
Oh, you have also filed an affidavit. Okay, then you just say learned counsel for the petitioner submits that though an affidavit service in respect of service of notice upon respondent number 456 has been filed by the petitioner, comma, this same was based on the information derived from the tracking details. Stop. The learned counsel now prays that she may be allowed to file a proper affidavit after obtaining a certificate of service from the postal authority. Prayer allowed. List after
2 weeks, Lordship.
2 weeks.
I like this, Lordship.
Item number 5.
Yes.
Lordship, look at the last few orders in this matter. Though the matter was heard,
Yes.
at that time, my lord, division bench of this court had also decided a similar issue relating to the pay commission. That matter was carried by the union to the Supreme Court. Now, in the Supreme Court, my lord, the matter is not progressing. My humble submission is that till now, my lord, there is no stay by the Supreme Court in the
Now,
matter.
since this order has been passed in this case to
My
avoid
lord.
the outcome of the apex course matter,
My lord, but how long, my lord?
we'll go by that. This order was passed.
My lord.
It seems like on the basis of the consent given by both the parties.
My lord, at that
It's a
point of
consensual
time,
order. So why should we change it?
at that point of time, my lord, we thought, my lord, some orders is going to come from the Supreme Court. As of now, there is no progress.
So now you have to carry on with the same thinking now. There is no change of situation.
My lord, in fact, in the division bench also, we have a similar matter which is stuck up. In division bench, however, my lord, it was considered okay. Since there is no stay, probably we can proceed with the hearing, my lord.
But then see the last, not only one order, last many orders.
No, several orders, my lord. Now, things are progressing slow.
Wait for some more time and then see what happens.
My lord.
No.
After 4 weeks.
Yes.
My lord.
Yeah, this will be the repetition of the same order, earlier order. Just see, a list of 4 weeks. It is submitted by the parties. The connected matters pending where the court is yet to be disposed of. In view of the submission, list this matter after 4 weeks.
Deeply obliged.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Item number 7.
Lordship, I'm praying for some more time in this matter.
Is this a matter which is pending for filing of application by you?
No, Lordship, this is not the one. This is a same-ship matter.
No, Your Lordship, it's not about that. Your Lordship, we've already informed us, Your Lordship. I'm appearing for respondents 1, 2, 3, and 6.
And I'm for respondent 7 and 8, Your Lordship.
Okay. When do you want it?
After 2 weeks, Lordship.
And the request made on behalf of the petitioner and not objected by the learned counsel appearing of the respondents, list this matter after 2 weeks.
Highly obliged.
Item number 9.
Yes.
In the matter, Your Lordship, last occasion also they saying that regarding this whether ban has been withdrawn or not. So in this matter, Your Lordship, no instruction is there.
My lord, this is with regards to the compassionate appointment only.
Compassionate appointment.
My lord, pursuant to the direction, there is a ban, my lord, that is at additional affidavit dated 4th January 2022.
So whether that ban is under challenge here?
My lord, that is, they have brought it before as an additional affidavit. We have prayed, and 2022 they have
So
brought
if
that
there
ban.
is a ban, this ban became operative from when?
My lord, since
Since 1990.
2019, my lord.
And then your claim for compassionate appointment was made on which year?
2018, my lord.
So just after 1 year.
1 year, my lord.
And when the deceased government servant?
2008, my lord.
2008. And now you are expecting compassionate appointment.
My lord,
If you have exceptional merit also, Mr. Jha, this is not possible at all. Compassionate appointment after 15 years.
My lord,
is it practical?
my lord, we have been praying to the department. Department said that no.
When did you file your application first? When you first made a claim to the department?
My lord, immediately, my lord.
Immediately when? Just show us.
My lord, that is at Annex 3, my lord.
This is Annexure 3 is when? What is the date of Annexure 3?
My lord, 6th April 2010, my lord.
Huh? How can it be? If it is 6 April 2010, how can you enclose another application of the same date along with this? It seems something is wrong. See paragraph 2, what you say in that Annexure 3, if it is dated. It seems it's a manufactured document, mister. It is undated, basically, or it is on the top, it is date is given, but then it has again reference of some other application bearing the same date. A copy was shown to be enclosed here. Where is the copy of that other application? And then comes your legal notice 2017.
My lord.
No, but then what about this application? And there is nothing, no acknowledgement who has received it. And how do you explain this? State Union has filed affidavit of opposition.
My
Mr.
lord, my
Devra.
lord. They have filed. They have admitted, my lord.
Something is wrong somewhere. See, your application basically is probably not in 2008, it is something maybe around in 2010.
We have
You go by
mentioned
the affidavit and these things.
My-
And it was already in 2010. And then 7 years you were silent.
My lord, we have been pressing to the,
Where is that evidence? Your legal notice comes in 2017.
my lord.
Then what remains? The very purpose of the compassionate appointment gets defeated. And now from 2008, you are waiting till 15 years, you are not doing anything. You filed this case in 2018 only.
My lord, it is
What do you think? It is difficult for the court, even if finds that you have a case, to pass this kind of order now. At
my
this
lord.
stage.
If the
You consider your full.
my lord, if the ban is not lifted, my lord, why the ban was imposed? Because they have exceeded the 5% quota of the compassionate appointment.
Then this fact also goes against you then.
My lord, if their list they have annexed, my lord, there that is in the additional affidavit, they have annexed a list of the persons who are in the serials. Even the,
Your name is here.
my lord, my name is there.
What serial number? At what serial number?
My lord, that is at,
Where is that?
my lord, that is the additional affidavit dated
Even your lordship,
7th March 2023, my lord.
The last affidavit filed. One of you can go. What is the order of ban?
Order of ban is, my lord, the affidavit dated, my lord, 4th January 2022, Annex 1, my lord.
There is no affidavit dated 4th January, mister.
it is sometime in the month of January. This
There is affidavit. If you
it
say
is- it-
2022, that is
it will be March, I think. You received.
11th February. One is 11th February.
This it didn't we filed this one in March.
This is an additional affidavit filed by
Additional
Mr. Nipemo Odoyo.
Never do. So even it will be in the March, you receive, because it is printed here January, but subsequently it is.
See, our office note says it was filed on the 11th February 2022. So we'll go by that only. Anyway, what is the
Page 6, my lord.
there is a ban.
My lord.
No, that is a communication
Communication
of the this thing. Ban was imposed in 1998. This is 1998. Then
my lord, there is also a rider there, my lord.
what is the rider?
Rider is, they had to send a proposal, my lord. Proposal to the ministry that there is a,
For revoking the ban.
my lord, revoking the ban.
Yes. So that is up to the department.
My lord, it cannot be, my lord, too contrary. The list are there, my lord. The other, apart from the petitioner, there are others.
So as
they are
per
with-
this instruction, what is required upon the department?
whether that ban has been, whether the proposal
So
has
their
been
ban is
sent.
not absolute ban; it's a conditional ban.
Conditional ban.
So it can be revoked based on the case.
My lord,
So needy and eligible persons are not deprived.
my lord.
So which way you are needy and eligible? If you can run for 15 years
My lord,
without being appointed, that is enough. That is good enough. You do not have to bring any other things.
My lord, if it
How
is,
you are surviving, how you are not surviving, that is out of the thing. The fact remains you are surviving for 15.
my lord, that will be. It does not mean, my lord, the petitioner
What?
is that she is surviving, my lord, by earning daily
See,
wages,
the
my lord.
purpose of compassionate appointment is to provide immediate succor, nothing
My
else. So,
lord. That might,
What is the
my lord,
question? If you can survive, if you can overcome that period, there is no question, you see. Where is your name in the list? Now this is a list of applicants. Means like these are the names which are recommended for this thing.
appointment.
Revocation of ban.
I don't know. That is department, my lord.
Then what is the use of making a list then?
Your Lordship could ask us to submit one list. That's why we given.
No, that is what is okay. But then what this list means? These are applicant. Or
These
these
are
are
all
the names
applicant.
sorted by the department for forwarding it to the government for revocation. You have to tell us.
Her name stand here in 47 serial.
In 47.
Yes.
And how many you have appointed now?
No one. Because due to ban, no one.
Mr. Jha,
My lord.
please have a look at the list. Come to serial, the first page, at page 6. You are there.
My lord.
See the first name. You have seen. And see the date of retirement and invalidation. A person from 1992 still in the waiting list.
Even, my lord, that is another
See
one.
subsequent, all these are 96, 97, 97, 98. All are before you. What direction you expect from this court? Yours is at 47. And there are 46 persons before you.
My lord,
Those who are waiting since 1992 onwards.
My lord, direction to consider, my lord,
That
until
is already there. Once your name included thing, it is
my lord,
it is there for consideration.
my lord, the until unless the proposal, my lord, is
This is what? This is what? This is not a proposition. Then what is this?
my lord. They have. This is not the proposal, my lord.
Then what is meant by the list?
That is in the affidavit, my lord. They have not said that this is these are the list of the waiting candidates.
Then what are they holding just a simple application of person who has died in 1992?
Yes, madam.
If somebody was offered appointment in 1992, by now the person would have almost retired.
Almost, my lord. It's 90 years. Even in the list, my lord, whose age is approximately 80 years, my lord. He is still waiting.
He is still there in the list.
So
what kind of list is this, Mr.
Your Lordship, this list has come up because this Honorable Court has given me direction
So
to.
this normal court has given a direction, so you include the name of any person who is not even eligible also. If list includes applicant who is 80 years old, will you induct somebody in service?
No, Your Lordship, here this paragraph 2. List why it is given, Your Lordship. Paragraph 2.
Yes.
This paragraph 2. The company actually by their letter dated such and such 11th day of November 2022 provide the information that there are 57 candidates have been applied for the compulsory appointment in the Office of the Veterinary Survey of India. In the list of the candidates, the
That
name
we
of
have
the
seen. So what is the purpose of
47?
What does it explain? For what purpose you are reading paragraph 2?
My lord, serial number 15 of that list, my lord. Serial number 15 of that list. Her date of birth is
1950.
1950, man.
Person is still alive or not?
1950. Another, my lord.
Anyway, see.
Serial number 29,
Mr.
my
Jha,
lord.
this will go in so far as
24, 59.
Anyway, this will be taken into consideration when it comes
My lord,
to considering the name. The time comes for actual consideration.
my lord, actual
Probably they may have a eligible criteria and all, we do not know. Okay. Now this is for them to see who will be definitely naturally It's by, you see, like by applying our common sense, we can say that somebody who is almost 80 years old or 70 plus will not be taken into service.
My lord,
Definitely, even for compassionate appointment also,
There will be board, and board will
see,
consider.
some barrier will be there. It cannot be something like that. You see, like you induct somebody who is 100 years old into service. Okay, but in the basic purpose of compassionate appointment, if you go by the various
judgments,
yes,
my
this is for
lord,
providing immediate succor.
my lord, that will be one sort of, if that means the department, my lord, is keeping the petitioner in the either the petitioner and other candidates
No, but then see,
at the stake of that purported ban, my lord.
Mr. Devnath,
Purported
will you
ban.
give appointment to that person whose age has been shown that he is born in the year 1950?
No, you see, this is the
No, you have
list.
kept it in this thing list for application.
No, you
List,
see,
you are, once you give it to the court, it means like you are keeping it for consideration, isn't it?
no, you see, here we,
See, go by your statement in paragraph 2.
no, you see, our statement to us like, since when the candidate was applied and it was pending. So this is the matter. So if he even detect this,
See, whoever applies, whose application will be kept pending, without even determining whether that person is eligible or not. How do you maintain a list?
so you see,
You see, like if today, if I apply, you will keep this in the list and you will say that this is the list pending. Will you not sort out who is eligible and who is not eligible, especially in view of that ban? Can you just make a long list just to deprive the claim of the petitioner by including ineligible person?
you see, when this consideration come up, then when the person is only over age, then definitely it will not be considered.
So then why you have kept his name? If it is not, then why you kept his name? That is why he is been placed at 47. You remove one name, he comes to 46. And that way you removed 10 names, he will come to 37,
Definitely
36.
Definitely will come. So you receive in
No, then
in the office itself, you receive. If you come to the affidavit, you receive. Just living beside this, you receive. If you come to the affidavit, you receive. Then also.
see, Mr. Jamnath.
You receive.
Just come to the list. Your list of things. Scrutinize the list. A person born in 1968, person born in 1966, person born in 1970. Will you induct them in service? Those who are over 50 years old.
You receive. Let us see the.
No. Will you induct them in service?
You receive. If we leave this even this list, let us come to this affidavit annexed 6 page 27 in my affidavit.
Yes.
You receive. Have a look on it. You receive.
Which
annexed 6 my affidavit.
Which one? You have filed
affidavit. First affidavit. You receive.
Yes, page 6.
Page 6.
Yes.
Page 27.
Page?
27.
27. Yes.
This is the communication issue. When we file the affidavit, we have given this petitioner's name is coming serial number 5 in the office itself.
Srimati Bila Singh.
Yes, ma'am.
Then?
Sita.
Yes, 2019, her name is at serial number 5.
It is the serial number in the office.
That we understand.
And
but then how do you know what is the date of birth of all those persons whose names are reflected above you? Above him? How do you know what is the date of birth of this thing, this first name? How do you know he will be eligible? He may be 80 years old. Do not try to divert the attention of the court for unnecessary things.
No, this is the matter.
No. How you explain that application? How do you see? Once you say there is application, that means these applications are pending for consideration. How you consider these applications? Will you take me today, a person of my age, in your service today?
Definitely.
So you do not have the system of scrutinizing. Just you make a list so that you can place the name of the person like petitioner at the bottom,
Now,
so that you can deprive of that.
situations like that, when this ban has been there, and after that, how many application was that? This was the instruction from the court. So out of this, it is given. It just there is nothing
See,
strong as such. So this is the impression was there that since
what is the
the
order passed by the court?
this one,
Just say. So show us the order based on which you have filed this application.
it was sometimes even verbal instruction you receive.
Just
So
say that. Now, if you are saying that, just because court said that, you see, like how many applications are pending, you give all the applications, whether it is related or unrelated. It doesn't matter.
No, what's the court is saying
Whether a
this
person is
correct.
eligible,
Now this,
it doesn't matter.
and
And
if you
you
consider
say in your paragraph 2 that petitioner is placed at serial number 47.
even it is given, then even in this paragraph it is given that if it is scrutinized, it may be even increase the number. So some if this
So
is
what
the,
when it will be scrutinized, and what will be the serial number placed? When the actual serial number will be placed?
so these are the situation you see,
No, what are the situation? You just reply. You are not replying.
So you receive in such situation you receive. I cannot say that it is the exhausted list, and this is the one.
No.
All
How many names you have sorted out as per instruction of that annexure? What Mr. Jha had pointed out just now, by which this ban was communicated.
Annexure 1.
It requires that you scrutinize this application and apply for revocation of ban. Did you scrutinize the application of the petitioner?
Separately, no. It is.
Separately, no means you have done it collectively.
So separately only for the petitioner, we are not doing.
Then for whom you do it?
So if
then explain us this notification. What is this notification? What is that, Mr. Jha?
My lord,
Page number?
page number.
Ban
is at, my lord, page number 6 of the affidavit, my lord.
Of the first affidavit filed with them.
My lord. Additional. No, my lord. The March affidavit which was filed, sorry, February 2023, as per the office note.
Things are not, doesn't speak that, you see, you do your work carefully. Some order may be called for, at least to, you see, correct your conduct. This. Yes, come to that, Mr. Devnath. Please read it and please explain us the meaning of your. This is your notification.
So this is the given with the Government of India Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Changes, and addressed to the Director of Botanical Survey of India. This is ban on compulsory appointment in BSI regarding. I am directed to refer the BSI letter number substance dated 22/2/2021 regarding the comments in dispute the RTI application of Srimati Suma Devi, wife of late Satyansha Suprasad, and to say that it has come to the notice that a ban on compulsory appointment in BSI was imposed by the ministry in 1998, as the ministry had found that over recruitment exceeding the quota of 5% of total vacancy was done by the BSI. From 1998 to till date, no recruitment has been done on compulsory ground in BSI. In these connections, you are requested to look into the matters of ban on compulsory appointment in the BSI and send a consolidated proposal for revoking the ban, so that the needy and eligible peoples are not deprived from their seeking compulsory appointment in BSI.
Yes. So what you have done thereafter?
So after that, this is the instruction. No instruction has come. You will say.
After, see, this notification requires you to scrutinize an application, and based on your scrutiny, forward it for revocation of the ban, so that the person can be accommodated basing on the generality of the case. What you have do, where you have done it.
So it is after that no instructions come to me. And I was
This is 2021. And when did you file your last affidavit? It's after that only. At least you say, you cannot, at least you, this court understands, okay, if there is no compassionate appointment from 1998 till date, definitely it may be, even for petitioner it would be quite difficult to get it. Maybe petitioner is placed at the bottom of the list. But then so long, you see, she has a rightful claim and you are duty bound, at least to consider that. You have to go by the instructions and all, whatever has been given.
So
You
you
are
will
not
see
doing it.
here another letter is there. After that commission whatsoever I brought before the Honorable Court.
Yes. Where is that
in-
letter? This
in
is 8 March
affidavit 23.
2021.
In affidavit 2023, annexure A, page 5.
That is your last affidavit.
No, this last affidavit.
Yes,
So
page 5.
in this Your Lordship, when I've written the letter, this was the commission. This is scientist EN head of
That
field.
is with regard to the writ petition, one particular writ petition. WPC number 125 of 2018.
This
This is the same one. Okay.
Yes.
What does it say?
With reference to the above mentioned subject, I am directed to inform you that one email letter dated 24 October 2022 received from Sri Rakhal Government Council along with this High Court order dated 13 October 2022 request to furnish the details of the roster including the serial numbers of the petitioner stands in the said list. Accordingly, a list of the applicant for waiting compulsion
Yes, the same
appointments.
thing which has been forwarded. So what is this? What purpose you are reading it?
So, Your Lordship, this is the last communication to me. After that, no communication.
These are unnecessary. I don't know. No, but then this has nothing to do with this notification of 2021, the communication of 2021.
This is true, Your Lordship.
Now, this what you have pointed out right now. This communication made to you, or maybe made on the basis of your instruction, 11th November 2022. Does it say about, speak about the names? Whose names were forwarded as per the instruction of 8 March 2021? Then you will become more answerable. How you can scrutinize some? This is what this list. Is it prepared in compliance with the instruction contained in 8 March 2021?
I believe no, Your Lordship.
No, you just tell us. If it is not done, then why you have enclosed this list then? See, this communication makes it clear that compassionate appointment is otherwise banned, except in deserving cases. Needy and eligible person. So, moment you receive one application, your first duty is to scrutinize who is needy and who is eligible, and then you forward and prepare a waiting list. It seems you are not doing it.
According to this affidavit, Your Lordship, it is none of the cases is considered on that extent.
Could not
Your Lordship, in this affidavit, whatsoever affidavit filed by the department, there is indicates that as because ban is there, no application has been scrutinized as whether eligible or not.
Then what is the purpose
So
of
all are
this notification?
and that's why affidavit is specially given. If the ban imposed, then it will be considered. So there is no refusal even for the compulsion appointment.
Huh?
As per affidavit, there is no refusal even to consider the application. As per affidavit, Your Lordship. If you go to the affidavit, then there is no even.
No, what you are trying to say? See, what is the duty cast on you consequent to the issuance of that 8 March 2021 notification? What is the duty to be performed by the department in the event when there are application for consideration on compulsion on ground? One department should do.
So first of all, ban to be imposed ban to be.
Have you gone through this 2021 the notification?
Send a proposal.
This is a document appended to your affidavit. What does it say? What is the meaning of that?
So you receive after this, after
No,
21.
what is the meaning of that? You reply the court's
No,
question.
this
Then you come to the other thing.
you receive, it is there that considered proposal to send. Consider a proposal to send to remove the ban.
Not
Yes,
for the,
then you will send all the applications, or you will keep it pending like this, and you do not know which application basically to be considered as per the instruction contained in this notification. You have given a
So
list.
you receive this instruction yet to be received, whether they have sent it and whether ban is removed or not. This
So for
instruction
each and
only.
every step, we will be asking you to take instructions, and then we will be pending hearing like this and all. For one aspect, one instruction, then next day another instruction, then next day another instruction. You are standing up here as a counsel.
Yes.
You do not know whether that list has been prepared as per the scrutiny made, as per the instruction of 8 March of 2021. You do not know. Then, if you say that there is a list of pending application and petitioner is at 47, how do you give this real number then? Just by taking into consideration the date on which application has been filed.
This is to take in consideration only the applications which were not considered since.
So what is it your proper duty? It means you are doing your work rightfully. Something requires to be done. You see. Taking things too casually. Hard Learned Counsel for the parties at some length. During the course of hearing, Mr. R. Jha, Learned Counsel, has drawn attention of this court to a communication dated 8 March 2021 issued by the Ministry of Environment and Forest, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. To the Director of Botanical Survey of India, Kolkata, wherein it was stated that what is BSI?
Botanical Survey of India.
No, what is it? Where it is? The ban on compassionate appointment. In Botanical Survey of India, was imposed by the ministry in the year 1998, as the ministry had found that over recruitment exceeding the quota of 5% of total vacancy was done by BSI. And as a result, from the year 1998 till date, no recruitment was made on compassionate ground. It was, therefore communicated that it therefore communicated that the directorate to look into you just say it was therefore requested, do not say communicated. It was therefore requested to the directorate to look into the matter of ban of compulsory appointment in BSI and send a consolidated proposal for revoking the ban so that needy and eligible are not deprived from seeking compassionate appointment in BSI. Give a paragraph relying on the communication. Mr. Jha, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that though the respondent have brought into records a list of candidates for compassionate appointment by their affidavit dated 7 March 2023. It has not been specifically stated that whether the names reflected in the list of candidate for compassionate appointment was prepared as per the instruction contained in the letter dated 8 March 2021 or not. It is also contended that there is nothing on the record to show whether the names containing the list of candidates was forwarded to any competent authority with a proposal for revoking of the ban in appointment and compassionate appointment or not. Stop paragraph. Faced with the situation, Mr. R. Devnath, Planet CGC, appearing for the respondent, was unable to explain to throw any light in the matter and also was not in a position to say as to when the petitioner's name can be considered for appointment on compassionate ground. Paragraph. In the above situation, the learned CJC is directed to file an affidavit, directed to obtain instruction as to whether the list of applicants for compassionate appointment appended to the aforesaid affidavit dated aforesaid additional affidavit dated 7 March 2023, 7th March 2023. Is a list containing the list of eligible candidate for consideration of compassionate appointment. And whether the names included in the list, including that of the petitioners, have been forwarded with a proposal for revoking the ban. Imposed for compassionate appointment. The respondents will be at liberty to file a detailed affidavit narrating therein the details of the action taken by them with regard to claim of compassionate appointment in pursuance to the communication dated 8 March 2021. The affidavit may be filed within a period of
4 weeks.
2 weeks.
This will be difficult because
No, you see, you are doing it very leisurely. You are not performing your duty. Otherwise, this kind of order is not needed. It's called for actually. You know your notification. You have to act as per your notification. Make it 3 weeks. English there. There may be some correction in the thing and all.
yes. Now it will be better for me because so many times
See,
I have
Mr.
reached to them.
Mr. Devnath, it's solely state of affairs. You are a state authority. You are authority, government authority. You are expected to move, especially when there is a claim for compassionate appointment. You know that all those needy persons, they come. They would keep application pending from 2018 and 2013.
This
And
is
you
the-
say now that there is a communication in 2021 by which you are entitled to scrutinize the application and forward it for seeking revocation of the ban, and you do not do it. Nothing has been done. Your conduct cannot be condoned.
these are sorry state of affairs. This happening.
So you are there. You advise them. You advise them. Instead of
I-
defending them, you in the courtroom you instruct them.
Several times I have communicated to them, and nothing has come out. So that's
So
why
you say
several.
it. Then
last
why you are trying to defend them in the courtroom? You say I have done my part. You say it. The counsel should be like that. You are
Item
not
number 10.
supposed to support your wrong, support wrong of your client in the courtroom. Friday.
Friday I'll not be here.
Whatever is convenient, sir.
Huh? Then
It is convenient.
they'll do it. They will do it on 19, Your Lordship. Then
Whatever the thing it will come up as part hard.
part hard, yes. We'll do it on 19.
Hard. One second. Just let me pass the order. Hard. The hardened part, just a hardened part. Hearing to continue on 19th.
Apply, Your Lordship.
So we'll have it on Monday.
Monday, Lordship.
Because tomorrow, perhaps in the evening session, things may not be that certain. So that is why.
No, whatever is convenient, my lord.
Yes.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Somebody else was saying something.
May it please, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, we beg to make a joint prayer of item 11, Your Lordship.
Item number?
11, Your Lordship.
Yes.
I pray that the matter may be taken up on the next year, Your Lordship.
Item 11, who's your other side?
Dr. Muska.
Yes, Dr. Mojika.
Kishore Gautam, testimony.
Yes.
Your Lordship, I pray that the matter may be taken up after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
It's okay, but there is no stay order. Trial is proceeding.
There is no stay order. So give them a longer date than what they have prayed. Okay, item 11. Just list as prayed for by the London Council for the petitioner. List after
2 weeks, Your
2 weeks. Dr. Mujika, appearing for the respondent, has no objection to the prayer. You say, Mr. So-and-so, you are
GC Marbo.
GC Margo. MSGC Margo, London Council for the petitioner, prays for grant of 2 weeks' time. Dr. Mujika, appearing for the respondent, has no objection. Then we say prayer allowed, least after 2 weeks. Yes.
Right.
Yes, anything?
You know, that supplementary matter was there. Supplementary. Tomorrow.
Supplementary matter, it will take time.
We can take tomorrow also, my lord.
Tomorrow, Your Lordship.
I will
No,
not
you
take
can
much
take in
time.
the second half.
Lordship, I have difficulty in second half. Please take it up
Okay,
tomorrow.
just the first item, that motion matter. List tomorrow. On the request of, on the joint request, list tomorrow. On the joint request of the parties, list tomorrow.
Apply, Your Lordship.
We have some more matters. This is the last item. Is there any problem if you take up
No,
the
my
motion
lord, I am
matter?
ready.
How long it will take?
I
A
will
long
not take
time.
much time also, my lord.
There is no other matter. No, we can delay them. We'll just take up this matter. Why two parts? We'll take up this matter since you waited. Motion matter, you have problem now.
No, second half I have some personal difficulty.
Now you can take up now.
Now, yes, I
Okay,
have no
then,
problem.
then that cancel that order tomorrow. We'll take it up.